Hello everyone and welcome to Think Python. Today I'll talk about comments. Comments are short notes and reminders that are added in between your code. Obviously we do not want these to be executed, but it is only for the purpose of reference. So what do is we prefix them with a hash and Python immediately knows that this is not to be executed. So let me show you with the help of an example. For example, I am printing this statement which tells me about the area of a circle. So area of a circle is 3.14 into r. Now you want to make a note here that what is r referring to here. So what we can do is I can say r is equal to radius of circle, okay, but I want this to be a comment only for the reference, so I'll prefix it with a hash sign and Python immediately knows that this particular statement is not to be executed, but it will only be referred to by the user or by the coder, right? So it is as simple as that. Now my tip to you is try to avoid unnecessary comments, as it will only add clutter to your code and will serve distraction to the users. As a good coder, try to be minimalist. Do not give the obvious comments, like if your code is printing a greeting message or a good morning message, avoid adding a comment which says that this particular code prints a good morning message, because that is obvious. We don't have to specify it again and again. So your comments should only be hows and whys. It should not answer what's, because what is, it is quite obvious, right? And there's one more thing. If you want to add multiple lines of comments, then you can use another method by using triple quotation marks. So triple quotation marks, press it 3 times, right, and hit enter. So you are inside these triple quotation marks, and if I want to give a short explanation about radius, then I can always do that. I can say that diameter is twice the value of a radius, right? So that is a short note only for reference, and you can go on adding multiple lines inside this. So radius unit is, you can say, centimeter, right? So these kind of multiple lines of comments can also be added, but it should be relevant, crisp and to the point. So here if we run this code, let's see what happens at the output. So slide this up. So perfect, it is area of a circle is this. So Python has not taken into account this statement, neither has it taken into account this statement, because these are only the comments not meant to be executed, right? So this is very simple. So that is the beauty of using comments inside your coding. They are the part of your code, but actually they are not. So enjoy coding and keep moving forward. I'll see you around in the next video. Till then, goodbye.